Hello, babies. Today I have something really very interesting for you. A very nice story about the jackal and the drum. Yes, children, today I'm going to tell you a story about the jackal and the drum from our book, The New Pathways Enrichment Reader, Chapter 3. So, children, are you all ready? Okay, here it comes your way.
Once upon a time, there lived a jackal in a huge jungle. He was very hungry. Can you all see there is a jackal? And he lives in a big forest and he was very hungry. Due to some reasons, he was not able to find enough food or any animal that he could have killed for his food. Now he thought, what has happened to other animals? If I don't find food for myself, I will die of hunger. And as days passed, he started getting weaker and weaker, and this started troubling him. Yes, since he was not able to find food for himself, the jackal started getting weaker and weaker. And this situation created problem for the jackal. He started crying. He started crying because he is very hungry. Then he thought, let me again search the forest for the food. And when he was searching the forest for the food, he heard some strange sound. Grum, grum, grum. He thought, what is that noise? He shouted, who is there? Who is there? The noise seemed louder and louder. He thought maybe it is another big animal or a hunter who is as hungry as I am. And if I will be seen by the person making all this noise, I will be in trouble. Now the jackal got scared and thought of running away. Now the jackal was very afraid and he thought of running away. He started running for his life. He ran and ran and suddenly stopped and thought, I am a brave animal. I should not be afraid. And then he thought, it is so foolish to run away from something without knowing about it. So, can you see this jackal? Now he thought that I should not run away from the problem. Rather than I should know about it. I should find it. What the real problem is. I must first see who is making that noise. Then the jackal moved in the direction from where the noise was coming. He saw a big drum. Can you all see? Such a big drum under the tree. And then the jackal said, ah, this is what that is making the noise. Ah, it's just the branches of the tree that are hitting the drum, and because of the wind, such sound is coming. Can you all see? Now, this jackal is not afraid of the strange sounds. He understood that the strange noise was coming because of the wind. Because of the wind, the branches of the tree are hitting the drum and the strange sound is coming. Now the jackal enjoyed banging the drum. He started playing with the drum. And since the jackal was very hungry, he started his search for the food. And after searching for some more time, he found the food and water and thought, now I will not be hungry. And the jackal started enjoying the food. So, children, can you see this jackal? He is enjoying the food. And this jackal is also very proud of himself. Why? Because instead of running from the problem, he tried to find out the real cause of the problem. He tried to find out what the real problem was. And once he started searching for the problems from where that strange sound was coming. He identified that because of the wind, that strange sound was coming.
So now we are going to do the last part of the chapter, and that is word meaning. We are going to end up with the lesson with word meaning. Yes, children, the first word is wandering. Wandering, which means moving from place to place without any clear purpose or direction. Moving from place to place without any clear purpose or direction. We can explain it better in a sentence if I say the lion was wandering in the forest in search of food and water. Yes, children. So now you understand? The second word, strange. Something different, strange. Something which is not heard or seen before. Strange. Something which we have not heard about it or seen before. And to explain it in a sentence, I can say, while I was sleeping, I suddenly heard a strange sound. While I was sleeping, I suddenly heard a strange sound. The third word, scared, frightened. Scared means frightened. Now, to use it in a sentence, I can say, when I saw a lizard in the washroom, it scared me. When I saw a lizard in the washroom, it scared me, frightened me. The last word is trouble, difficulty or a problem. Going out to the market during this COVID time is calling for trouble. You might fall into trouble if you go to the market without a mask these days. So, calling for trouble. Right, children? With this, we end our chapter, and I hope you have all enjoyed it. Thank you.